Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got an extra special 1974 Corvette Roadster. You can see it's red with tan interior, kind of like a Ferrari, but it's an L82 4-speed, factory air, power windows, the removable painted hardtop, tan cloth convertible top. Same owner since 1982. That's 38 years. And I've got here a pile of money that was spent on this car. They did a very thorough restoration and supposedly only driven a few hundred miles since it's been done. If you go to volocars.com, that's where we'll list all the specs. We just got the car. I didn't read all the receipts yet. I have an email from the owner of the car. I kind of summarized it, but I'll post all the specs on our website along with the pricing. You'll see over 100 pictures of the car top to bottom, and we have a few hundred other collector cars all for sale. That's at volocars.com, so make sure you visit that. But for right now, top's down, so why don't you join me and go for a spin in a 74 Vette Roadster. The paint is slick. It's another one of those that just like, pow, it's bright, glossy red. The body is fantastic. Now with that said, I did notice a few flaws. When the top sits on here, they all rub the paint. Every one of them will have rubbed paint, but it does look like there's a good-sized chip right here that needs to be touched up. I think the car was parked for a while and the top probably stuck to the paint. But boy, is this glossy, and this is the two-piece rubber bumper in 74, and it fits beautifully. There's no cracks, no damage. One little touch-up right there, a tiny one. Lenses look nice. Correct antenna. If you look at the pictures, the antenna wasn't on. It was laying in the back, so we put a car cover on it. So I just put the antenna back on. 15-inch rally wheels. The trim is real bright. Tires, the tread is perfect on the tires. Yeah, this all fits nice. Looks like new chrome handles. Looks like new window seals, new mirrors. Windshield's crystal clear. L82. We'll operate the headlights in a little bit. It's got the little spoiler down underneath there. Front rubber bumper also looks to be in real nice shape. Nobody's bumped it yet. It's real nice there. New emblem. The tan interior is real nice. The leather looks like it's actual leather. It was an option, and it feels real nice. It's like that leather jacket you've owned a couple years and it's broken in, so they're not new seats, but they're not beat up seats. It's like that perfectly worn in leather jacket. It's got the leather armrest cushion. The door panels appear to be in mint condition. It's the tilt telescopic wheel, the factory radio in the dash. There's nothing modified in here. It's got the right 4-speed with the lockout and the chrome ball. All the instruments look real nice. Carpet front to back looks real nice. Comes with shop manuals and the receipts. And look at the pictures on our website. It's a tan, the Hearts cloth convertible top. That's always real rich. That's twice as much money as the vinyl top. And mechanically, it's all new. In the email he sent me, the suspension, the brakes, the bushings, the fuel system, all redone. Rebuilt motor, rebuilt trans. It is the VIN number matching trans. I already seen that up on the lift. The cowl induction system looks like it's all complete. The air conditioning system's been all rebuilt, blows ice cold. It's power brakes, disc at all 4 corners, power steering. The fan, the shroud, belts, hoses, all looks real nice and proper under here. So I'll start it up for you. Door jambs are painted beautifully. They'll come with the shop manuals and all the receipts. The air conditioning just kicked on. It must be turned on. Body's real nice. Got a little bit of extra chrome. So visit volocars.com. I'll finish writing up the ad on the car and get all the specs on there. And plenty of ways to contact us. If you have questions or concerns about the cars, the shipping, the financing, let us know how we can help. We'll get those questions answered. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just click on the button, then you'll see these videos as we put them out. I appreciate everyone who's been watching the videos. And stay tuned because we're just going to keep putting them out there. Thanks for watching.